building a new software stack up from machine code. And after 4 years, I finally have a real use case. Something programs that are programs. So here's the use case. Here's chatting with other people on. It's called the future of coding. And it unfortunately has a very limited search history. You can only or two. And I've been 5 years now. And that's unfortunate because I share a lot of really complex structure. So here's the app. It's built up, it's running in Qemu, built up from machine code, any library dependencies. But it's kind of janky. The links don't really work. You can see here a link. I did not parse it yet, but that's the easy part. The harder problem is that this machine has no network. So even if I could parse the link, there's nothing. So it's a net line only, read only browser, meaning a bunch of structured archives to it, and I can browse them. More jankiness with the rendering. There's no Unicode support yet, though the architecture does allow for it in new. The margins and hyphen, so you can see that the Y O U, there's no hyphenation. It's just sort of rendering things in a very naive way. The images are low quality. This computer only has 256 colors. But in spite of it does, and hopefully browsing that again. Post up top. Go down by one, it scrolls as well. So the cursor is fixed to at the simplifies the code a little bit. So as so navigate and slice and dice by I go to a specific channel, I can also click on any post or comment and see. So that wasn't really. I'll hit escape to go back to the page. And let me actually find a better channel. Here's a thread view now. There's 27 posts in this thread, and I'm browsing. I can press page down to go to the bottom. So I can slice and dice by thread, by post, news style. Useful, surprising. The community by default allow me to see comments that I haven't participated. The final feature, of course, is search. I press slash to search, and this gives me valuable. This is one of the questions I've had for a long time, which is how many times we did a small matter of programming. And we see that there are 12 items here. And I can go to some of these that are several years old, and I can people said in them. Out of here and show some more context. I build it back to the terminal, and here's the app. The entire source code, the standard 200 kilobytes. Towards yet that, but use case really helps me see the case that I've been chasing, which is if you want a simple stack, you can't just eliminate accidental for the essential complexity. And the fact that we have an app here that is so simple that it's hackable and you're to come in to it and make it your own.